So we have this very interesting geometry question from one of the American math exam. So let's see how we have to solve this. So we are given with four squares and their side lengths are given 4, 7, 9 and 10 units. So let's name these four squares first. Let the square with the largest side be square A. Let this be square A and consequently we will have this square with the side length 9b. Let this be square b. Let the square with side 7 units be c, and the square with smallest side length 4 be square d. Okay, so like this I have named these squares. What do we need to find out? We need to find out the shaded area. This shaded area, orange color area that is there in the figure, we need to find that. So we will divide it into two parts. Let this be part 1. This figure, this orange color figure or shaded area, sorry, this orange color shaded area be part 1. Let this be part 1. So let's find the area of this part 1. Please look at the figure. We have two squares here. This square with the largest side length, that is 10. Yes. Now, if from this largest square, we if from the area of this largest square, we subtract the area of this square, that is square B. Yes, we will get this area of part 1. So what we are doing, to find the area of part 1, we can subtract the area of square A, we can subtract the area of square B from square A, area of square B. The difference between the area of these two squares will give us the area of part 1. So what is the area of square A? That will be 10 times 10. What will be the area of square B? That will be 9 times 9, which will give us 100 minus 81, which gives us 19 unit square. Okay, so this is the area of part 1. Now we will find the area of part 2. Let this be part 2. Okay, let's find the area for part 2. Like we have found out the area for part 1 by subtracting the area of square B from area of square A. Similarly, here we can find the area of part 2 by subtracting the area of square D from area of square C. Area of square C minus area of square D. Okay. Please look at the figure. This is square C, right? This is square D. If I subtract the area of square D from square C, I will get the area of part 2, correct? So what is the area of square C? That will be 7 times 7. Area of square D will be 4 times 4. This will give us 49 minus 16, which will give us 33 units square. Okay, so this is the area of part 2, but this is not the final answer. This is not a final answer. We need to find the total shaded area. So shaded area will be area of part 1 plus area of part 2. Correct? We need to add these two areas. So what is area of part 1? Area of part 1 is 19. Area of part 2 is 33. Correct? So the total shaded area will be 52 units square. Yes, this will be our final answer. The total shaded area given in the figure, this orange color shaded area is 52 units square. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.